Imagine crafting a stunning video in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. Sounds amazing, right? Well, we're about to explore an AI tool that turns this dream into reality. We're diving into an AI revolution that's changing the game for content creators. The latest sensation in the digital realm is this AI tool called Unveil. This isn't just any tool, it's your personal video production powerhouse, capable of churning out high-quality videos in mere seconds. This AI tool uses advanced algorithms to analyze your script, pick out key emotions, and then selects from a vast library of images, clips, and music to perfectly match your message. Now let's put it to the test. In the workflow, you can choose from YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, recent events, video, and script to video. We'll select YouTube Explainer. That's the explainer video we'll create. Let's do 30 seconds. And in this prompt, I've pasted how to edit YouTube videos. We'll type in humor as the creative direction. Let's select upbeat. Let's select male and clear American voice. In the watermark, I typed none. We'll keep the default use iStock normally, and then click continue. The information is now being analyzed. I'm going to keep content creators and select professional. Keep YouTube and click continue.
Jumping into the world of YouTube editing? Fear not, it's easier than learning to ride a unicycle and way less painful. Start with a simple editing software like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. Trim those awkward silences, add some catchy tunes, and don't forget subtitles for your international fans. Soon you'll be slicing and dicing video like a pro chef. Remember, practice makes perfect, or at least practice makes less terrible. Happy editing!
We have a video complete with voiceover, visuals, and a soundtrack that's all completely done for you in AI. That's quite impressive. There wasn't a lot of direction, and it came up with an entire video on its own. By the way, if you enjoy this video, smash that like button and subscribe. Now I'm going to show you how to edit that video from a text prompt. Below there are sample commands you can use. In our case, I'm going to type this command to change the images and click generate.
And don't forget subtitles for your international fans. Soon you'll be slicing and dicing video like a pro chef. Remember, practice makes perfect, or at least practice makes less terrible. Happy editing!
No more hours spent editing or syncing audio. This tool gives you the freedom to produce more content, engage with your audience, and yes, even take a well-deserved break. There's one more cool thing I want to show you about this AI tool. This time we'll select recent events video, and then we're going to paste this article link here. This article is about the best free editing software. Let's select male and clear American voice, and then click continue. And then click Generate Video. Here's a snippet of the video.
Final Cut Pro X and Adobe Premiere Elements, which offer free trials. These are more powerful tools, but they do come at a cost after the trial period ends. To summarize, the best free video editing software really depends on what you need.
As you can see, the videos are crisp, clean, and high-quality production. I've been using InVideo for a bit now, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. I've saved so much time in editing, voiceover, and searching for video footage. Check out the description below to try it for free. Now, I want to hear from you. What kind of videos will you create with this tool? Comment below. Also, let me know what other AI tools you want me to cover. Until next time, stay creative with AI.